Asterisk, it's 2026. We've got AI built into our glasses and quantum chips tucked in our pockets. But take a look at this absolute unit. This is the Hewlett-Packard 9100A, the world's first desktop calculator from 1968. Now, HP didn't call it a computer, even though it was one. Why? Because in 1968, computers were the size of actual refrigerators. If it wasn't massive, people just didn't trust the math. Check out the insane tech on this beast. It weighed 40 pounds. And battery life? Forget about it. This thing pulled 70 watts of power straight from the wall. You heard that right, it had to be plugged in constantly. If you tripped over the cord, your calculations just died. And the screen? No LCD, no OLED. It used a cathode ray tube, literally a tiny, curved television screen, just to show you 3 lines of numbers. By 1972, Bill Hewlett wanted all that power in his shirt pocket. That's how we got the HP 35. This was the iPhone moment of the 70s. It had a glowing red LED display that basically ate batteries for breakfast. You'd get maybe 3 hours of use before it needed a recharge. Under the hood, no Snapdragon here. It ran on 5 custom MOS chips with only 768 bytes of memory. Your favorite emoji has more data than the code that put these in the hands of Apollo astronauts. These things cost $395 back then. That's over $2,800 in today's money. So next time your phone takes half a second to load a 4K video, just remember, your grandparents were doing rocket science on a machine that needed a wall outlet and 40 pounds of steel. Respect the elders. HP, the original OG.